Hello, welcome to simplify this equation 6 divided by 6 divided by 6 divided by 2. So let's begin with 6 divided by 2, it will be 3. So we have 6 divided by 6 divided by 3. And then let's continue with this 6 divided by 3 will be 2. So here we have 6 divided by 2, finally it will be 3. But this answer is not correct because according to PEMDAS, according to the order of operation, we have to do first parentheses and exponent, multiplication and division have the same priority, and also addition and subtraction have the same probability, and we have to go from left to right. So let's solve the given equation with the right method. That's 6 divided by 6 divided by 6 divided by 2. So let's begin. We have more than one division, so let's begin from the left. So 6 divided by 6 will be 1 divided by 6 divided by 2. And then 1 divided by 6 will be 1 over 6 divided by 2. So according to KCF principle or rule, we have simplified this one. So keep the first fraction 1 over 6 and change this division to multiplication times and flip this one 1 over 2, which is 1 over 12 is the right answer. Thank you very much.